Hello, 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 crafty friends. I am ScrappingSylvia from YouTube and Instagram, and please do not forget to subscribe. Today I will be doing an unboxing from Diamond Art Club for the month of October for a very, very special event hosted by Angie from Angie's Diamond Painting Adventures, and also hosted by Mindy from Mindy's Diamond Moment, Maritza from My Krafts, and Jenny, the Uncrafty Crafter. And the kickoff to hashtag DP Pink for BCA, and it stands for Cancer Alliance. I will link their channels in the description box as well as the hashtag for the event. For this special event, all you need is pink in your diamond painting, or I believe some pink. This is very special to me because I have family members who've had breast cancer, all kinds of cancer in the family, and unfortunately it runs in the family. So this is very special and dear to me. Okay, so I decided to work with Sleeping Beauty. And Sleeping Beauty, as you can see, she's got a lot of pink. So, and it's by Willowing Arts, and it's round. And the reason you know it's also round, it's because you see the circle and it's pink, and it tells you right there, round diamonds. The size is 20 by 26 inches, and in centimeters is 51 by 66 centimeters. Okay, and here on the box, if you scan it, it says unlocks 10% off. Okay, and then the instructions in the back. Okay, so I already removed the plastic. I'm gonna just get this baby open. Okay, so what do we have in here? The usual. Let's see. It should be. It didn't come. It usually comes with a paper. Okay, that's okay. That tells you, I think it's like 10 or 15% off, but that's fine. Okay, so here we have the sticker, so you can put it on your diamond logbook. The usual kit from Diamond Art Club. So we have a tray, the spongy, a diamond pen, wax in the shape of hearts, a placer, and some disposable baggies, which I will give to my husband. Okay, let's move that aside. Let's get this baby open. Okay, let's get this drills out of here, the sticker, put that aside. Let's turn this. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Let's see it already. It has a lot of pink, guys. I'm hoping it's all different types of pinks. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. Oops, sorry about that. Oh my God. Look at how gorgeous she is, guys. It doesn't fit all in my camera here, but so it's got 36 colors, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Oh my gosh, this is going to be super sparkly. I'm definitely going to keep this one. I think this was going to be, because all the other ones that I've made, I've given them as gifts, so I think I might keep this one. Look at how big her eyes, and she's got like a medallion, all the beautiful flowers around her, her beautiful long hair, beautiful luscious lips, pink cheeks, and then she's got a heart, looks like a heart tattoo on her neck, and then she's got more flowers and a beautiful gown. Okay, and again, it's from Diamond Art Club. It's called Sleeping Beauty. Let's see, we'll move it up so you can see that. And it's 20 by 26, 51 centimeters by 66 centimeters. And it's got 36 beautiful colors. Wow! Okay, so let's see if you can see how clear the canvas and the drills. Let's see how it is. Look at her face, it's gorgeous. Okay, let's see if it's sticky, and how sticky it is. Yep, beautiful. Okay, and another thing very important from Diamond Art Club, all their art is licensed art. Okay, what else? It's very soft. Let's turn it around. Very, very, very soft, guys. I love that. Okay, and it's sticky. All right, and it's clear. Let's move that aside and let's look at the drills. Comes also always step-by-step instructions. Okay, tips and tricks. There goes another sticker, and this is beautiful and wonderful. All the symbols come in little stickers, so you could just put them on a container. And it's got 36 colors. You write down the start date, the end date. Gorgeous. All right, let's see. Oh my God, this is a lot of pink. Wow, I can't wait to do a kitty on this one. Okay, calm down, Sylvia, calm down. I get so excited, I get silly. Okay, so 141, an AB, Aurora Borealis, which is extra sparkly, extra shiny. This one is 963, 550, very pretty purple. You can see it that way. 938, it's like a cocoa. 600, 601. Wow, look at this pink. 3607. Oh, got two 3607s. 3824. Look at this pink. Wow. 915. 718. Lots and lots of pinks. Oh, two of 718. 310, 310, and 310. 3 packets of 310. 603. 353. 602. 3608, 3609. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. 3860, 605, 126. This is an AB. 333, 351, 150, another AB. 3861, 208. I believe that's an AB also. 820, that's pretty. 498, 352, 814, 136, another AB. 321, 948, 604, 327, 917. Oh, and another AB, guys. 127 and 3837. That's it, guys. So let's bring her out again so you can see her one more time. She's actually perfect size, you know. Okay, this is going to be exciting, guys. So let's put them here. I don't know if you can see her beautiful face, the drills, the sticker, what else, and the other little sticker. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.